poem from Tili Kannada grade 8. The name of this poem is Male Barali and it is written by Savita Nagabhushana. Male means rain, Barali means come. So let it rain. That is the meaning of this poem. Let it rain. So rain is a very essential part of all our lives. So if rain comes in excess, also there is a lot of destruction, there is a lot of loss of lives, and it creates a havoc in everybody's life. But if there is very less rains also, there is drought, people have no enough food to eat, and that condition is also not good. So if the rain is either in excess or it comes very less, then there is trouble for all of us. So the rain, there should be moderate rains. So that is the prayer of this poet. She prays that let the rains be moderate. Let it not be in excess and let it not be very sparse as well. So let the rain come in moderation. So let's look at the poem now. Male barali, ಆದರೆ ಹಸಿರು ಹೊಲ ಗದ್ದೆಗಳನ್ನು ರೈತರ ಸುಖ ನಿದ್ದೆಗಳನ್ನು ಕಸಿದುಕೊಳ್ಳದಿರಲಿ. So let it rain. Male barali means let it rain. ಆದರೆ, but the rain should be in moderation. It should not destroy the green fields. It should not destroy the efforts of farmers. If the farmers' efforts are destroyed, then they lose their peace of mind. They will not have a good sleep in the night because they are so worried, right? So let it rain in moderation such that the fields don't get destroyed. And because of this, let the farmers' peace of mind also remain intact. Let that also not get destroyed. So let it rain in such a way that the fields and the farmers' hope and peace of mind remains intact. Then, ಮಳೆ ಬರಲಿ ಆದರೆ ಹುಲ್ಲಿನ ಛಾವಣಿಗಳನ್ನು ಮಣ್ಣಿನ ಗೋಡೆಗಳನ್ನು ಕಡವಿ ಹಾಕದಿರಲಿ. So let it rain. Again, let it rain. What are the ill effects of floods? They wash away the houses and huts and roofs of the people, right? So the poet is again praying that let it rain, but let it rain in such a way that it does not knock away people's houses. So hullina chavani means the thatched roof. In villages, the houses, they don't have a strong roof, right? So it is either a thatched roof made of hay and grass or of tiles which are light in weight. So if there is a rain, they all get washed away. So let it rain in moderation such that it does not knock down the houses, the roofs and the walls of the people. And then the next one is ಮಳೆ ಬರಲಿ ಇರಲೊಂದು ಪುಟ್ಟ ಮನೆ ಹೊದೆಯಲು ಬೆಚ್ಚನೆಯ ಕಂಬಳಿ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಸಿಗಲಿ. So let it rain, but let it not create havoc and destruction and wash away people's houses. It should not leave people without any shelter. They shouldn't come on the streets and be shelterless. So let it rain in such a way that people have their houses intact. They have a small tiny living place like a house, a small tiny house. Let them have that and let them have a warm blanket to protect themselves against cold. Let people have at least this much. Let the rain not come and destroy all this as well. ನೊಂದ ಬಯಲುಗಳಿಗೆ ಬೆಂದ ಬೆಟ್ಟಗಳಿಗೆ ಬಾಯಾರಿದ ಕೆರೆ ಬಾವಿ ಹಳ್ಳ ಕೊಳ್ಳಗಳಿಗೆ ಬರಲಿ ಮಳೆ ಬರಲಿ. So let it rain in such a way that the fields which are wanting water, which are dried up, let those fields get water. Let the mountains, see the mountains are always open and are exposed to the sunlight and heat. So there they get burnt with the heat. So let the burnt hills and mountains, let them get some water, some rain to cool themselves. ಬಾಯಾರಿದ ಕೆರೆ ಬಾವಿ ಹಳ್ಳ ಕೊಳ್ಳಗಳಿಗೆ. Bayari means thirsty. Means there is no water. The water levels are reduced in the lakes or wells or rivers. So let rain come in such a way that the water levels fill up such that they don't remain thirsty anymore. Barali male barali. So again, let the rain, let it come in moderation such that it makes the fields fertile again. It cools down the hills and mountains which are always exposed to sun and heat. And also let it fill up the lakes and rivers and wells which have dried up without water. Dho yendu suridu ಹೊರಟು ನಿಂತಾಗ ನೆಲ ಮುಗಿಲು ನಗಲಿ ಏಳು ಬಣ್ಣಗಳಲ್ಲಿ. Dho means that's an expression of how the rain pours. So let it come, let the rain pour and stop. After it stops, let the land and the sky smile in 7 colors. 7 colors means rainbow. Let there be rainbow in the sky and in our lives. So let it rain, but let it rain in moderation. Let us not have too much rains which will flood and destroy everything, and let us not have very little rain where we again have a problem, where it is so sparse that there is loss of lives again because of drought. So let it rain and let it rain in moderation. That is the aim of this poem.